Англійська мова. Учитель Ковтун Євгенія Володимирівна. Вам слово.
Good afternoon, dear students. I hope we will spend time together well, and this lesson will be very useful for you. Today we have an interesting topic. It is called British art, and we are going to speak about the golden age of British painting. Painting, in modern sense, came late to the history of England. There was no truly school before the 18th century. William Hogarth, Joshua Reynolds, Thomas Gainsborough, John Constable, William Turner were the most talented representatives of the British painting school. Let's listen to some facts about them. But be attentive. We will have some words in bold on our presentation, and it is very important to pay attention on them because we will need them in future. Okay, let's start. The first representative of British painting is William Hogarth, an English painter, pictorial satirist and editorial cartoonist. His major were portraits and genre paintings. He is best known for his series of paintings of modern moral subjects. The next painter is Thomas Gainsborough. He is an English portrait and landscape painter and printmaker. Along with Sir Joshua Reynolds, he is one of the most important British artists of the second part of the 18th century. I remind you, pay attention on words in bold. The next painter is Joshua Reynolds. He was specializing in portraits. He promoted the grand style in painting. With the founding of Royal Academy, Reynolds was elected its first president and was knighted. What does it mean? It means he became a knight, and we can call him Sir. Next painter is John Constable. He is an English landscape painter in the Romantic tradition. He is a master of watercolors and oil paintings. British nature has a timeless beauty in his pictures. Okay, do you remember about our words in bold? Let's return to our active vocabulary now. Okay, here you can see a list of words. Let's revise their meaning. First word is portrait. Portrait is a painting of a person. The purpose of a portrait is to show personality or even a mood of a person. The next word is landscape. When artist depicts nature, it is called a landscape. Next, genre paintings. They show us some situation from a real life. Next genre is still life. Still life is a work of art in which flowers, fruit and other objects are depicted, as you can see in this picture. The next one is cityscape. It shows us the life of cities or small towns. It doesn't matter. Well, now I want to play a game with you. Your task will be to guess what genre is it. Let's look at this picture. Is it a still life, genre painting, landscape or portrait? Think for a minute and I'll show you an answer. Right, it is a still life. Let's have an example. Robert Duncanson painted this still life. The next picture. Guess what? Is it a portrait, a cityscape, a genre painting or a landscape? I believe in you. It's not very difficult. And right, in 1806, the portrait of Napoleon was painted. This picture is very beautiful too, isn't it? But our task is to decide, is it a still life, a landscape, a genre painting, or a seascape? And write again. An example with this word. When I saw this landscape, it inspired me to travel to the USA. Okay, what is it? Is it a cityscape, a seascape, a still life, or a portrait? Let's look at it attentively. And finally, you are right again. It is a cityscape, and an example with this new word. I am not much for portraits. I like cityscapes more. Okay, well, I hope we have spent a good time together. I wish you to be healthy, to be clever, and do all your home tasks. And our home task for today will be to write about your favorite painter and to describe your favorite painting. Thank you for your attention.